Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have some fish here. This is deep sea chicken. I cut it into big chunks. I'm going to braise it later, yeah, hong sao. Then basically two steps, deep fry and braise. Then I have some minced garlic, fresh coriander roots, salted black bean, ginger, red chili, yeah. Then for the braised sauce, some sugar, salt, white pepper, oyster sauce, premium light soy sauce, and some Shaoxing wine. Of course, you will need some water as well. So first of all, let's prep the fish. Right, so we're going to give it some basic seasoning here, some light. So this is fine salt. Some base flavor, yeah. We're going to give it some base flavor here. Then white pepper, some Shaoxing wine, and I'm going to coat it with some starch powder. Now you can also add in some egg if you like, before coating it with the starch powder. Right, then I shall send this for deep frying. Just want a very thin layer of starch, that's all. Just to make it easier for frying later, I'm putting some oil. So that it doesn't stick as much in the wok later. Right, you want to heat up the oil until smoking point, that is at least 180 degrees Celsius and above. Then we can slowly put in the fish. Still contains water inside. So we are going to deep fry the fish until it is almost fully cooked, yeah? Maybe about 5-7 minutes or lesser. This is after frying for first 2 minutes. You can slowly turn it around. This is after about 5 minutes. Just now halfway I turn it around. I noticed one thing. Under deep sea chicken, the meat itself is too tender. So when you deep fry, it's actually very easy to break, yeah? So I think barramundi fish is still better for this. So you need to use those very flaky, those fish with very flaky meat, yeah? So easier to deep fry. Still, this is going to taste good. It may not look as good lah. So this is after about 5 minutes. I want it to brown it a little bit more, yeah? So give it a couple of more minutes. Actually, I decided to make it into a braised fish because yesterday I found out that this fish is not as fresh for it to be steamed already. So fry it lah, don't waste it. Right, we are going to make the sauce. Give it some oil here, about 2 tablespoons. Put in all the freshly cut herbs just now. Maybe I will leave the chili to the end. Ooh, very, very fragrant. Once you start seeing the garlic started to brown, we can actually give it some hot water here. Tune down the low fire now. Oyster sauce, premium light soy sauce. Just I did not show you the dark soy sauce. This is for the color. Shaoxing wine. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. By the way, recently we gotten back our lab test. The lab test shows that our chicken powder can last for 1 year, no problem at all, yeah? Good news. Finally, we waited for 1 hour, 1 year for that result to come out. Fine salt. A little bit of fine sugar. Meanwhile, we go and quickly prepare some starch solution. Right, now we can actually put in the fish. Put in the chili. Give it a few stir. Wow. Ooh. And off the fire, and we add in the starch solution. And some last few stir. Look at how beautiful it has become. Ooh, the shiny sauce. It will wrap around the fish, the fried fish, so evenly. See? Right before serving, I'll just give it some few dashes of white pepper. Done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my braised fish, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.